Hey guys, Sunny here. I'm creating a short video for you guys for the class tomorrow, how to get into your Facebook Ads Manager. This is one of the tools that is going to be required for tomorrow's class. If you haven't already done this before, this is really simple. Go to your business page. Mine is facebook.com/dreamhomesjp. Once you land on your business page, click on this down arrow to your right and create ads. Right there, create ads. Click on that. So this is what we're going to be using to create a Facebook ad tomorrow from Conversion. We're going to create the actual ad in Conversion, the search, and then we're going to create the ad on Facebook. Here, your main thing is you want to set up your payments. So click on the little wheel right here. It says Settings on the top right. And then on the left side, click on Payment Settings. Okay. Now here, you have different options here. I have mine set up for a limit. So I can always increase the limit. You can see the amount spent here. And you can see currently I owe $104.09. So you can pay anytime, but mine's set up to be auto pay. And then of course just add a payment method, whatever card you want to use or a bank account, and you're all set to run Facebook ads. Thank you guys. See you in the class.